Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to center in Excel. We will explore several straightforward methods to perfectly align your data and text. Mastering these techniques will significantly enhance the visual appeal and readability of your spreadsheets. You will learn how to apply basic cell alignment, utilize center across selection, and effectively use merge and center for professional-looking documents. Get ready to transform your Excel layouts with precision and ease. Center across selection is a fantastic tool for headings that span multiple columns without actually merging the cells. This means your data structure remains intact, which is crucial for sorting and filtering. Simply select your desired range, go to the Home tab, click the drop-down next to Merge and Center, and choose Center Across Selection. It provides a polished appearance while maintaining full functionality. The Merge and Center feature is perfect for creating prominent titles or labels that need to span several columns or rows. When you merge cells, they become one single, larger cell, and the content from the top leftmost cell is automatically centered within it. While powerful for visual impact, remember that merging can sometimes affect other Excel functions, so use it thoughtfully for optimal results. For precise alignment within a single cell, Excel offers both horizontal and vertical centering options. After selecting your cell or range, you can easily center text horizontally using the dedicated button in the Alignment group on the Home tab. For vertical centering, choose Middle Align. This ensures your data is perfectly positioned within its cell boundaries, enhancing overall readability and visual balance in your spreadsheets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.